Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can log out or sign out in the TradingView app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply scroll through your homepage and tap open your TradingView app. Now once you open your TradingView app, you need to simply press on the menu option. And once you are in this kind of page, simply scroll down to the end and press on the sign out option. So once you have pressed on it, you will get successfully logged out or sign out from your TradingView account. However, you can simply choose your account to simply re-enter into your TradingView app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.